Hello everyone, dear Stocklers buyer community. Today we meet for a gaming lot sold by Groover, the European leader in high-tech rental, which you know well since more than 40,000 products have now been sold through the Stocklers marketplace as functional second-hand items. So we're back to gaming. What do we mean? We mean both consoles and streaming products, but mainly composed of consoles. So we will find PlayStation consoles like the PS5 Slim, PS5 Digital, PS5 Disc, Xbox Series X and Xbox Series S. So a whole bunch of products, the latest consoles, the latest generations, you will find in the lot listing all the references present in this lot. I remind you, it's functional second-hand. Functional second-hand means that all the products are 100% functional and may show some signs of wear either on the console or on the controller. And potentially some products, some accessories not necessary for the functionality of the product may be missing. So there you go. If you want, I can open a product for you. We can look together at this disc PS5 in its original packaging. So that's really wonderful. We find a controller. Inside it there are cables, so the charging cables for the controller and of course for the operation of the console. So the console is still in its packaging. Here we can see there is still the protective cover film, the transport protections. So this is really a great product. If we look together in more detail, so I remove this little protection, we find the PS5 disc there. And so at first glance on this one, in any case, very few signs of wear.
The product is really in a very good aesthetic condition, at least a few marks here, but you really have to look closely to see them.
So there you have it, products in great condition, at least for this one, in the original packaging. And so it's wonderful. So we find, as I told you, mainly consoles, Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, all ranges of PS5. We also find Stream Decks from the Valve range. So really, I invite you to look in detail at all the references present in the lot. Do not hesitate to ask for transport quotes. The warehouse, the products are located in Lierse in the north of France. Feel free to also ask your questions in the chat. The operation starts now and ends at the end of the year. So go ahead now, place your bids and we'll see you very soon. See you soon.